today's the exercise 8.4. So in the earlier class we have learned about trigonometric identities. So with the help of trigonometric identities we have proved different problem. So today we will discuss some proof or some example from the exercise 8.4. So you try to see the video up to last. So there are some very important question which are based on your CBSE exam. Okay, so let's see. So I will continue my class. So I will take first question, that is question number 5 from the exercise 8.4. Prove that is one number cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So you have to prove this. So I will continue. So solution part. So I write the left hand side part first. So left hand side part is given what? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay. Now you see in the right hand side the value will be in cos. Okay. But in the left hand side there are cosec and cot theta. So you think whether any relation, whether any identity which can be expressed in cos in the left hand side. So you think that part. So first you see this is cosec theta. So you can write this is what? 1 by sin theta. And cot theta, one identity is there, cos theta divided by what? Sin theta. Now you see in the right hand side it is cos theta. So in our left hand side it is near to what? Cos theta. So therefore we convert this cot theta to cos theta by sin theta. So this is whole square. Now you see. Now you have to take LCM of sin theta into sin theta. You will get sin theta. Okay. Now if you divide this sin theta by sin theta, you will get 1, and here you will get cos theta. Okay. This is simple application of LCM. Okay. Now from here you see it is divided by the a by b whole square. So you can write this what? A square like that. So means 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. So we can divide the whole square in numerator and denominator. Now you see. So here I come to here. So in the numerator part 1 minus cos theta is there. Okay. And now you see sin square theta. We can write this 1 minus cos square theta. Why? We know one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. From here you can find what? Sin theta is equal to sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. By applying this identity, means identity number 1. So by applying this identity we get what? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Now you see here. We can write this whole square in this way. 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. Okay. Then you see a square minus b square means what? A plus b into a minus b. So here you will get 1 minus cos theta and another will be 1 plus cos theta, because means what? A square minus b square means what? A plus b into a minus b. Is that it? So here 1 minus cos square theta. So you can express this 1 means 1 square. So here you will get a square minus b square this way. So now you see here same term we can cancel, 1 minus cos theta, and here also 1 minus cos theta. So finally you will get 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this is equivalent to your right hand side, is not it? Yes. So this is right hand side. So finally you will get, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, hence proof. So you can write hence what? Proof. Okay. So your main aim is what? You have to convert this trigonometric ratio to nearest to cos. How we can express this trigonometry in terms of cos? So you have to think that part only. So now here sin square theta you get, so you express this sin square theta in cos theta, so like that. So finally you get the result. Okay. So now I will take question number 5, 2 number question, that is you have to prove cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to sec a. Okay. So I take here left hand side. Okay. Now you see here cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a. Here you have to add. Okay. So here fraction. So you have to take this LCM. So LCM of 1 plus sin a, you will get 1 plus sin a into what? Cos a, because they are two different factors, so you have to multiply that one. Okay. Now you have to divide this denominator by this, so this will be cancelled and remaining will be cos a. So cos a into cos a will get here cos square a. Plus similarly, if you divide this part by cos a cancel. So finally you will get the equation 1 plus sin a. So 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, you will get 1 plus sin a whole square. So here sometime maximum time student will putting mistake, because they will put here 1 plus sin square like that. So you have to use bracket to 1 plus sin whole square. Okay, not 1 plus sin square. So you have to put here 1 plus sin whole square. Okay. Now you see in the denominator part you write same, no problem. So 1 plus sin a by cos a, and here you see cos square a, you write this. Okay. Now this is 1 plus sin a whole square. So this is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus 2ac plus b square. So here we will get 1 square plus 2 into 1 into sin a, and last you will get sin square a. So we break this part by using identity of algebra. Okay. Now cos square a, and 1 square means you will get 1, and here you will get 2 sin a, and finally last one you will get sin square a divided by 1 plus sin a into what? Cos a. Okay. This is, now you see. So you write cos square a and this sin square a together, and plus 1 plus 2 sin a. Just rearrange the term. Sin square a you write with the nearest to cos square a. So in the denominator part this is 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay. Now you see here. So cos square a plus sin square a, this is equal to 1, because one identity is there. So 1 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into what you get? Cos a. How we get 1? We know what? Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to what? 1. So we put here cos square a plus sin square a, we put here 1. So finally here you will get 1 plus 1, you will get 2. 2 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. Okay. So finally what you get? Finally you get what? You take from these two terms, you take 2 common. 1 plus sin a will be left. In both terms you have 2 common or 2. So finally in the denominator part you will get 1 plus sin a into what? Cos a. Okay. Now you see in the numerator and denominator 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a is same. So you can cancel this 2 term. So you will get 2 by what? Cos a. So you can write this 2 into 1 by cos a. Okay. Now you see we know reciprocal of cos 1 by cos a is equal to what? 1 by cos a equal you will get reciprocal of cos sec a. Okay, 2 into sec a. Sec a is equal to what you get? 1 by cos a according to the identity. Okay. So 2 into sec a, this is your right hand side. Okay. So finally what you get? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the proof. Hence proof. Okay. Clear? So just simple application of identity. Okay. So I will take another problem. Let's see. Another problem, that is question number 4. So left hand side part you write first, that is 1 plus sec a divided by sec a. Okay. So in the right hand side it will be what? It is in the form of a sin and cos. So you have to convert this sec a in terms of what? Cos a. So let's see how we convert this. We know sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. Okay. We know that it is true. Sec a is equal to what? 1 by cos a. And here also sec a is equal to, you will get 1 by cos a. Okay. So in the numerator part you take LCM. So here 1 plus 1 by cos a. So here you will get cos a is the LCM. So finally you will get here cos a plus 1 divided by 1 by cos a. Okay. Now you see divided by divide. So these two are cancelled. So finally you will get what? Cos a plus 1 divided by 1. Okay. Now you see. So here cos a plus 1 divided by 1. So you multiply both sides by what? 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. Okay. So you multiply this with this term, what? 1 minus cos a by 1 minus cos a. Means if you cancel this one, so you will get this. Okay. For your simple calculation. Okay. Now in the denominator part you will get 1 minus cos a, and in the numerator part you will get, you can write this what? 1 plus cos a, and here you will write 1 minus cos a. Okay. So finally you will get 1 plus sin a plus b, and a minus b means what? A square minus b square means 1 minus cos squared a divided by 1 minus cos a. Okay. Now you see this will be sin squared a, that is by using the identity. Which number identity? That is identity number 1. So that is sin squared a plus cos squared a is equal to what? 1. So here 1 minus of cos squared is equal to what? Sin squared a. So finally this is your what? Right hand side. Okay, this is your right hand side. Proof. Okay, what? Hence proof. Hence proof. So very easy. Okay. So let's see another problem. Question number 6. Question number 6. I will take left hand side part is given root over 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. Okay. Now in the left hand side, okay, right hand side part is sec a plus tan a. So you have to convert this part into this. Okay. So how we convert? Let's see. So in the denominator, what factor is there? That is 1 minus sin a. Okay. You multiply both numerator and denominator. Okay. Opposite sign of this, that is 1 minus sin a. So you put here 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a. Okay, in the denominator part, what is your term? 1 minus sin a. So you take opposite sign of this. Suppose if it is plus, if it is minus, you will take plus. With the opposite sign of this term, you multiply in both sides. That is the rationalized form. Okay. So here finally you will get what? In the denominator part, you get a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus what? Sin b square. Means what? A minus 1 square minus sin square. So in the upper part you will get, that is numerator part, you will get 1 plus sin a what? Whole square. Okay. So in the denominator part already we know 1 minus sin square a is equal to what? Cos square a with the first identity. Okay. So 1 plus sin a, here we will get what? Whole square. So here also whole square, here also whole square. We can write this whole square like that. What we write? 1 plus sin a divided by what? Cos a what? Whole square. Okay. Now you see square root of this, square root of a square number. What you get? This. So you can cancel the root over. Okay. This you will get. Okay. So now you divide this 1 by cos a, that is 1 by cos a, and here you will get, you divide sin a by cos a. Okay. So finally you will see, you see 1 by cos a is equal to what? That is sec a, and sin a by cos a you will get tan a. Okay. This is your right hand side. Hence proof. Clear? This is your right hand side. Okay, very easy. So I will take another problem 8. Now see question number 8. Solution. Left hand side, that is sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square. Okay. So by using a plus b whole square identity, you break this term. That is, you will get sin square a plus 2 into sin a into cosec a plus cosec a whole square, cosec square a. Okay. And here also you can break what? A plus b whole square, a square plus cos b plus what? B square. That is cos square a plus 2 into cos a, then sec a plus sec square a. Okay. So now you see sin square a and cos square a you write together. Okay, because we get from this what? 1. So now you see 2 into, you write 2 into sin a. So you can convert this cosec in terms of sin, that is 1 by sin a. Cosec a is equal to 1 by sin a. And this term, this 2 into cos a. So you can write sec a in terms of cos a. Okay. And last term will be what? Cosec square a plus sec square a. Okay. Now you see sin square a plus cos square a, this is equal to what? 1. And here sin a cancel, cos a cancel, so you will get 1 plus 2 plus 2, and last you will get cosec square a plus sec square by a. Okay. And here 1 plus 2 plus 2, you will get 5. Okay. Now you see cosec square a, you can write this is 1 plus cot square a, and here you will write 1 plus tan square a, because why? 1, we know the second identity, what? 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a, 1 plus cot square a equal to what? Cosec square a. We know this first identity, second identity, and this is third identity. Okay. So 5 plus 1 plus what? 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 what? We will get 7. Finally we will get 7 plus, and this you will write first tan square a, and you write cot square a. this is your proof. You see, this is the right hand side. Okay, hence proof. Here, okay. Very simple way, okay. To you try to solve by your you try to practice at your home. In the some question are left in the exercise, so you try to solve by yourself, okay. If any doubt, you can give comment the comment box. So today I will take another problem, that is on last problem. You see that one very interesting. A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. This problem is very interesting. So let's see. So how can we prove this? Okay. So first we take the left hand side. Okay. So cosec A minus sin A, okay, into sec A minus cos A. So you try to see up to last, okay, how we prove this. Very interesting. It is not similar to earlier problem. So this is very interesting. Let's see. So here cosec A. So you convert this cosec A in terms of sin A. That is cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So here you will get what? Sin A. And here also you convert this sec A in terms of cos A. So 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay. Now you see here you take LCM sin A and here 1. So you will get LCM is sin A. 1 minus here you will get sin squared A. Okay. And here what you get? Cos A, that is 1 minus cos squared A. Okay. Cos squared A. So now these are in multiply form. You multiply both. So sin A into cos A, you will get what? Sin A into cos A. So here you will get 1 minus sin squared A into what? 1 minus cos squared A. So now you see what? 1 minus sin squared is equal to what? Cos squared A. And this is will be what? Sin squared A. So finally, this is very interesting, okay. Sin A, if you cancel this sin square A, 1 will be left. Here also what you get? Finally you will get cos A and sin A. So this is your left hand side. So how we get the right hand side? So you stop the left hand side up to here. Now you take the right hand side part, okay. Now I take right hand side part, okay. Now you see whether it is equal to left hand side or not. Tan A plus cot A. How we express this in the form of this, okay. So here you see tan A, you can write what? Tan A is what? Sin A by cos A. This is one identity. And here you will get what? Cos A by what? Sin A. Okay. Now you see 1. So in the denominator part you take what? LCM. Cos A into what you get? Sin A. So here you will get what? Sin squared A plus cos squared A. So divided by divide, this will be what? In the numerator part. Cos A sin A divided by you will get sin squared A plus cos squared A. Now you see what? Cos A sin A. What is the value of this? Sin square A plus cos square A. This will be 1. So finally you will get cos A and sin A. Now you see this is equivalent to your this. Cos A sin A means, so if you take left hand side then also you get cos A sin A. If you take right hand side then also you get what? Cos A sin A. So finally you can say therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proof. Okay. So this is very interesting. Okay. So here in every step we use what? Maximum step we have to use what? First number identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A. Okay. So today I conclude my class here. So I will make another video only for the MCQ question for your textbook. Okay. the exercise the MCQ from the exercise 8.1 to 8.4. okay, that video is I think that also very interesting. That will be very interesting. Okay, so if you like my video, you put like, and if any doubt you can comment in the comment box. Okay, and you share this video, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and I am happy to make video if you subscribe my channel. Okay, so again I will come in different videos. Namaste. Thank you.